Hey everyone, it's Meizu's 15th anniversary, and with it they've released a line of new phones. Among them is the aptly named Meizu 15. It's an upper mid-ranger with a surprising design for 2018. This is its box. The texture is super nice and it feels quite soft. Inside, you see the phone right away. Under it, you have a box with a quick charger and another one with a USB cable. Other than that, there's a SIM ejector tool and a few instructions. So, what makes this phone special? Well, here are the top 6 features of this anniversary device. Number 1. Design. The design of the Meizu 15 is a little unexpected and very refreshing, especially with the 18:9 aspect ratio being so popular at the moment. Despite slightly larger top and bottom bezels, the side bezels are almost invisible, which creates a more modern look and gives the Meizu a great screen-to-body ratio. It also makes the phone feel small and easy to handle with one hand. The Meizu 15 is made of the same aluminum as Apple's phones and is very light. However, it still sports a headphone jack as well as a USB-C port, so thankfully Meizu wasn't too inspired. Certain features are almost cute, especially the tiny fingerprint sensor. Although Meizu is very proud of making it so small, the sensor might be uncomfortable for some people with bigger hands. Speaking of fingerprints, it quickly becomes a smudgy mess, so if it bothers you, you're gonna have to get a case. Number 2. Screen. The 5.46-inch Samsung-made AMOLED screen seems to be very bright with excellent colors, and since most videos continue to be in the 16:9 form factor, you're not going to be wasting any precious screen space on black bars. Number 3. New chipset. The Meizu 15 sports the Snapdragon 660 chipset. The phone feels quick and buttery. We didn't experience any slowdown even with 14 apps open, so we're expecting pretty good performance on this phone. The phone also has an always-on display. Number 4. Flame 7. The phone sports Flame 7. It's still based on Android Nougat, and it's gonna miss some of Android Oreo's features. However, it's been through a redesign, and it has one of the cleanest interfaces we've seen. Although you can't delete the stock Flame apps, there aren't too many of them, and they don't weigh down the system. Some are actually quite useful, like security, which allows you to optimize your phone and protects it from viruses. There's now a game mode, which includes a floating icon to the side of any game you're playing and provides options like Do Not Disturb. There's also app search, face unlock, and a night mode so the screen doesn't blind you in the middle of the night. Some improvements are under the hood, like better overall performance. Curiously, the icons and text are a little larger than on most phones, so it may be easier for people with eye problems to read the notifications and click on what they need. Number 5. USB-C and quick charging. With its 3000 mAh battery life is likely to be average but not spectacular. However, Meizu has been in the news for developing a supercharger that can charge your phone from 0 to 100 in 20 minutes. Although this phone can't charge quite this fast, it does have an M charger, so it can get your phone from 0 to 50% in half an hour. Number 6. Dual camera setup. The Meizu 15 sports a dual camera setup that supports 2x optical zoom and 3x lossless zoom. It also features a portrait mode and can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second. There's also a ring flash, but I'm not sure whether it's any more powerful than a regular flash. Initial photos look good with plenty of detail and good color, although the exposure is not spot on. 4K video is less impressive. Although the colors still look really good, details aren't as sharp and there's no stabilization to speak of. On first impression, the phone seems to be really promising. Meizu has made a few really cool design choices, and as a result, the phone is really comfortable to use. However, do its features justify its €400 price tag, especially in such a competitive market? It remains to be seen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get our latest tech reviews as soon as they're out. See you next time.